No matter what type of internet marketing you do online, you will hear a lot about traffic. So a lot of people wonder, is it paid traffic or free traffic that you need to focus on? Well, want the truth? It really does not matter as long as it converts into sales. So would you like to get access to 5 traffic sources that pulled in $1,340.09 in affiliate commissions in under 48 hours using 100% free traffic? You can actually get to see real case studies of results like these. The first one is Profit Region Promotion that was done and generated $564.81. The second one is Re-Catching Method that actually pulled in $295.90. And the Fuga Multiplier ad that pulled in $658.44. Like I said before, it is all backed up with real case studies. So here's exactly what you get. 4 easy free traffic methods deliver guaranteed buying traffic. 1 rapid penny per click paid traffic method. You can also get started with the paid traffic with zero budget. No product creation, email lists, technical skills, software, or IM experience needed. And it works in any niche, no matter what type of affiliate offer you have. Also, it is 100% newbie friendly, easy to set up in minutes. That is not all. When you join today, you'll also get free access to these unique bonuses. Bonus number 1, $100 coupon code to get started at no cost with that one paid method. Bonus number 2 is 0 to 6-figure Facebook Mastermind group where you get direct access to us to help you through it. So all you need to do right now is click on the button right below this video and we'll see you on the inside. Have a great day.